Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to our chemistry online class. In the last class, we discussed about the book back question answers, right? So I hope you all marked all the question answers and you studied. Okay, study well. So today we are going to learn next lesson 9, solutions. Okay, solutions. Solutions in this means you may thought to solve the problem, not that one. So solutions, here we are going to study types of solution. That means true solution, colloidal solution, suspension solution, mixtures here we are going to learn. So in your lower classes you studied about the mixtures, right? So can you say some example for mixtures? In natural mixtures, in the sense we can say sea water, then air. These are the natural mixtures, right? So sea water contains salt and water, so that is a mixture, right? So mixture means two or more components. And air contains carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, some other gases also. These are the natural mixtures. In our day-to-day life, we are using some mixtures. That means for washing purposes, cleaning, for these things we are using some mixtures, right? So, and drinking waters also contains some mixtures. Then juice, tea, coffee, these are the things also contains some mixtures. So here some mixtures can easily separated, but some mixtures cannot be easily separated. So some can easily separated. For example, see, let us consider salt and water. Okay, salt and water. When we are dissolve this salt and water, this salt can uniformly distributed in this water. So listen, this is a solute. The components which is present in lesser amount by weight is called as solute. Okay. So one solute and solvent. Okay, when we are mixed the salt and water, the salt will uniform distributed this water to form a salt water, that is called as solution. The form of homogeneous mixture, we will get one compound, that is called as solution. Okay, then another one example, sand and water. Sand and water. When we mix this sand in water, the sand cannot be dissolved uniformly, right? So this sand can be settled at the bottom of the water. So the sand and water we can easily separate it, but the salt and water we cannot be separated easily. So the salt can uniformly distributed this water to form a homogeneous mixture. This kind of homogeneous mixture is called as what? Solution. Okay. So what is solution? The kind of homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous means it will distributed uniformly. Okay, it will spread out uniformly. Okay. So this example for this mixture, salt and water and sand and water, some mixture can easily separated, but some mixture cannot be easily separated. So which mixture from this two, which one can easily separated? Sand and water. By filtration method we can easily separate out this sand and mixture. Okay. And next we are going to study about components of solution. Components. So in components of solution, what is solution? The homogeneous mixture which contains one or more components. The homogeneous solution which contain homogeneous mixture. The homogeneous mixture which contain one or more components. One or more components, that is called as solution. Homogeneous mixture which contains one or more components. One or more components, that is called as solutions. The components which is present in lesser amount by weight is called as solute. So solute means what? The components which is present in lesser amount of solute. That means lesser amount, you can imagine it, one glass of water, take one glass of water and add 1 teaspoon of salt or sugar in this water. So here which one is solute, which one is solvent? the salt is called as solute. The components which is present in lesser amount by weight. Okay, so here what we are adding lesser amount salt, right? So the salt is called as solute. And solvent means the components which is present in more amount. The components which is present in more amount by weight is called as solvent. Have you understood this solute and solvent? Then next we are going to study about the based on the physical and chemical properties. Based on the physical and chemical properties, how the solutions are classified. So here based on the solute and the solvent, this solution is classified into two types. Okay, that is binary solution and ternary solution. Okay, the component must be contains. The components must be contains two substance. The components must be contain two substances called as, that is called as binary solution. Binary, bi means two. Okay, so the solution must be contains two components or two substances called as binary solution, and the components must be contains three substances. Okay, three substances called as ternary solution. Ternary solution. Ternary means three. Okay, so bi means two, ter means three. Okay, so the components must be contains two substances called as binary solution. The components must be contains three substances called as ternary solution. And binary solution, lot of example we can say salt plus water. Here salt and water, so two component. Okay, sugar plus water, then copper sulfate plus water, lot of substance we can say. So copper salt solution, sugar solution, copper sulfate solution. Okay, this ternary substance, sugar, salt and water. Okay, sugar, salt and water, three components they are present there. Then juice also we can say. Okay, this juice powder, sugar and water. So what are the things made with three components, that is called as ternary solution. Have you understood binary and ternary? So binary means the components must be contain two substances called as binary solution. The components must be contain three substances called as ternary solution. Okay. Based on the physical and chemical properties, the solutions are classified into three types. Okay, based on the physical and chemical properties, solutions are classified into three types. That is solid, liquid and gas. Okay, so solid with solid. First we are going to study the examples. Okay, solid with solid. The example for solid with solid, copper, Cu. What is the symbol of copper? Cu. Okay, copper dissolved in gold, Au, that is the symbol of gold. Okay, or gold, so symbol is Au. Copper dissolved in gold, that is called as alloys. So solid in solid example, copper dissolved in gold. Then liquid in solid example, mercury with sodium. The previous lesson we studied amalgam, right? So amalgam, that is the mixture of mercury with sodium. The dentist, they are using this amalgam to fill the cavities. They are using the amalgam. What are the things they are adding in this amalgam? Mercury with sodium. Okay, then solid, then liquid components. So the solutions are classified into three types. It exists in three types, that is solid, liquid and gas. Okay, then liquid, when solid combined with the liquid, example for solid combined with the liquid, sodium chloride dissolved in water. Sodium chloride means the common salt. Okay, normally we are using ordinary salt in your home. No? So that is a sodium chloride, NaCl, that is sodium chloride. So solid with liquid, sodium chloride dissolved in water. Then liquid with the liquid example, ethyl alcohol. This is like a water. Okay, not a liquid compound. Okay, so ethyl alcohol dissolved in water. Then gas and liquid. Gas, carbon dioxide dissolved in water. That is called as soda water. Then liquid with gas. Water vapor mixed in air, it will form cloud. Okay. Then gas and gas. Example for gas in gas, mixture of helium and oxygen gas. He, that is the symbol of helium. Okay, helium and oxygen gas. So these are the physical states of solution. So physical states of solution, based on physical states of solution, solution exists in three forms, that is solid, liquid and gas. We studied the example also, right? The next we are going to study based on the solute. Based on the solute, the solution is classified into two types. Based on the solute, the solution is classified into, solvent. Based on the solvent, the solution is classified into two types. That is aqueous solution and non-aqueous solution. Aqueous solution and non-aqueous solution. So in this aqueous solution, water acts as a solvent. Okay, aqueous solution, water acts as a solvent. You know, in a solution contains two components, that is one is solute and another one is solvent. So first we are going to study based on the solvent. Okay, based on the solvent, solution is classified into two types. What are they? Aqueous solution and non-aqueous solution. So aqueous solution means in aqueous solution, water acts as a solvent. Water can dissolve all the things, all the solutes. Okay, so here actually mostly this water only acts as a solvent. So this water is called as universal solvent. Okay, water is called as universal solvent. Example for aqueous solution, sugar plus water, then salt plus water, then copper sulfate in water. So many things we can say. Okay, so aqueous solution, water acts as a solvent. Then non-aqueous solution. Non-aqueous solution, any liquid other than water. Okay, any liquid, not except water, other any liquids. Example, alcohol, benzene, ether, ether, carbon tetrachloride, carbon disulfide. These are the example for non-aqueous solution. Okay, any liquid other than water, that is called as non-aqueous solution. So in some solute, mostly the solute can be dissolved in water, but some cases this solvent, that means water does not dissolve the solute. Some cases, that is sulfur. Sulfur does not dissolve in water. The sulfur only can dissolve in carbon disulfide. Okay, it can dissolve in carbon disulfide, does not dissolve in water. Like that, iodine. Iodine can dissolve in carbon tetrachloride. This is one more question, so just note it. Okay, so the sulfur can dissolve in carbon disulfide. Iodine can dissolve in carbon tetrachloride. These are the non-aqueous solution. Next we are going to study about based on the solute. Based on the amount of solute. So based on the amount of solute, solution is classified into three types. This is my thing, so listen carefully. Based on the amount of solute, solutions is classified into three types. That is saturated solution, then unsaturated solution, supersaturated solution. So what are the solutions? Saturated solution, so unsaturated solution, supersaturated solution. So saturated solution means the solution in which no more solute can be dissolved in a given temperature. No more solute. That means, listen, so if 100 gram of water, and we can take 100 gram of water in a beaker. Okay, so in this 100 gram of water can dissolve only 36 gram of sodium chloride. Already I told you sodium chloride means common salt. Okay, ordinary salt. So this 100 gram of water can dissolve only 36 gram of sodium chloride. It cannot be dissolved, no more solute. Okay, so that is called as saturated solution. So what is saturated solution? It is a the saturated solution is a solute to dissolve no more solute at a given temperature. At 25 degrees Celsius, 100 gram of water can dissolve 36 gram of sodium chloride. Further addition of sodium chloride, it will be settled at the bottom of the beaker. It does not dissolve. That is a saturated. Clear? The next unsaturated solution is a solution less amount of solute, less solute than that of saturated solution. Less solute than that of saturated solution at a given temperature. That means very less than less amount of solute. Maybe 100 gram of water can dissolve 10 gram salt or 20 gram or 30 gram. This much only. Okay, up to 35 it can be dissolved easily. So less solute than that of saturated solution, that is called as unsaturated solution at 25 degrees Celsius. Then supersaturated solution means more solute than that of saturated solution. More solute than that of saturated solution. More solute, more than this 36 gram. Okay, so 45 gram it can be it can dissolve in 100 gram of water. But one thing already we studied, only this much 36 gram of sodium chloride can only dissolve in 100 gram of water, right? So when we are adding more than 36 gram, it will dissolve, but after some time when we are dissolve this when we disturb this solution, it will be disappears the crystals. Okay, it will disappears the crystals. We can see the crystal, it will settle at the bottom of the solution. It cannot be dissolved properly. Okay, so that is called a supersaturated solution. More solute than that of saturated solution is called as supersaturated solution. Have you understood these three solutions? So first one, saturated solution. So saturated solution means no more solute can dissolve at given temperature. Then unsaturated means less solute than that of saturated solution. Supersaturated solution means more solute than that of saturated solution. Okay. Then next we are going to learn concentrated and dilute solution. Concentrated and dilute solution. So here let us see one example. 2 cups of tea I am giving in your hand. Okay, when you taste this tea, you can feel sweeter taste in the first cup and more sweeter taste. Okay, first cup of tea have more sweeter. Okay, why we can feel that more sweeter taste in first cup of tea means I added more amount of salt in the first cup. Okay, the second cup I added little amount of first cup I added more amount of sugar. Then second cup I added little amount of sugar. So from this we can identify which one is we can say that is a strong tea or this weak tea, like that. So chemists can use instead of this strong, they are using concentrated. Okay, concentrated, more concentrated. Okay, so in the components which present in more sugar, more substance, that is called as concentrated solution. Okay, more amount of solute added at a particular amount of solvent. Less amount, that is called as concentrated. Okay, less amount of solute is added in a particular amount of solvent, that is called as dilute solution. Have you understood the difference? So concentrated means more solute we are adding, dilute solution means we are adding less solute. Okay, Have you understood the solutions? So the solution is classified into based on the physical state. Solution is classified into 3 types, that is solid, liquid and gas. It can exist in 3 types. We studied the example. Then based on the solvent, solution is classified into 2 types, that is aqueous solution and non-aqueous solution. Aqueous means water acts as a solvent. Non-aqueous means any liquid other than water. Then based on the solution is classified into 2 types, that is saturated, unsaturated and supersaturated. Then we studied concentrated solution and dilute solution. Now all of you take your book, take page number 134. Let us mark the question answers. Page number 134, book back question. Choose the correct answer. See the first one. A solution is a dash mixture. A solution is a dash mixture, homogeneous mixture. Mark it. Option A. Then second one, the number of components in a binary solution is, binary means 2. Okay. So here answer option A, 2. Third one, which of the following is the universal solvent? Water. Then fourth one, a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved in definite amount of solvent at a given temperature is called no more solute. No more solute. So that is saturated. Okay. So answer saturated solution. The next one, identify the non-aqueous solution. Sodium chloride in water. Here water is act as a solvent, right? Then see the second option, glucose in water. So here also water is act as a solvent. Then third one, copper sulfate in water. Here also water is act as a solvent. Then fourth one, sulfur in carbon disulfide. So here which one is act as a solvent? Carbon disulfide. So what is aqueous and non-aqueous? Aqueous means water act as a solvent. Non-aqueous means any liquid, not water, any other liquids. So here what is the answer? Fourth one, option D, sulfur in carbon disulfide. Mark it. Then that much only. Then fill in the blanks. Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. See the first one, the component present in lesser amount in a solution is called solute. The components present in lesser amount in a solution is called solute. Then second one, example for liquid in solid type solution. Liquid in solid type solution. What is the example? Mercury with Na. You should not write Hg. You should write mercury. Okay. Mercury in sodium. Mercury with sodium. That is amalgam. Then third one, solubility is the amount of solute dissolved in dash gram of solvent. Mostly it will dissolve in 100 gram. Okay, mark it. Then short answers. First one, Roman letter 5. Short answer, first one. Define the term solution. It is given in page number 125. Page number 125. Components of solution. Heading is there, no? 9.2, components of solution. Start from first line. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of 2 or more substance. Up to that, sixth line, solvent. Sixth line, solvent. In a solution, the component which is present in lesser amount by weight is called solute, and the component which is present in a larger amount by weight is called solvent. Then second question, what is mean by binary solution? Binary solution. Page number 125. Right side first paragraph. Right side first paragraph. Start from first line. A solution must be at least consisting of 2 components. Up to that, fifth line, binary solution. Mark it. 5 lines. Mark it. Then third question, give an example each, gas and liquid. Gas and liquid. Near that question, write down the answer, gas and liquid. Carbon dioxide dissolved in water. Gas and liquid, near that question you write down. Carbon dioxide dissolved in water. Then second subdivision, same question, second subdivision. Solid in liquid. Solid in liquid. Solid in liquid. This third one. Solid in liquid. Sodium chloride dissolve in water. Solid in liquid. Write it. Sodium chloride dissolve in water. Then solid in solid. Solid in solid. First one. Copper dissolve in gold. Copper dissolve in, this is copper, dissolve in gold. Note it. Copper dissolve in gold. Then gas in gas. Last one. Mixture of helium oxygen gases. Mixture of helium oxygen gases. Then next question, what is aqueous and non-aqueous solution? Give an example. Page number 126. Take page number 126, all of you. Aqueous solution. Did you find out? Aqueous solution. Okay. Aqueous solution paragraph. First two line mark it. The solution in which water acts as a solvent is called aqueous solution. Then that is same paragraph, last two line examples they given. No? So example, common salt in water, mark it. Example, common salt in water, sugar in water, copper sulfate in water. Same question only. Then next paragraph, non-aqueous solution. First three line mark it. Non-aqueous solution, first three line. The solution in which any liquid other than water acts as a solvent is called non-aqueous solution. Example, last three line. Sulfur, example for non-aqueous solution, that paragraph, non-aqueous solution, paragraph, last three lines. Examples for non-aqueous solution, sulfur dissolved in carbon disulfide, iodine dissolved in carbon tetrachloride. Then Roman letter 6. Roman letter 6. First question. Write notes on saturated and unsaturated solution. Write notes on saturated and unsaturated solution. Answer. Take page number 126. Page number 126. Based on the amount of solute, heading is there, no? That heading, second paragraph, saturated solution. Start from here. Saturated solution. This one paragraph fully. This is long answer, no? So should not omit even one line. Okay? Study everything. Then next paragraph fully, unsaturated solution. So this two paragraph, saturated solution, then unsaturated solution, up to this much mark it. So in your note, you should write all the question answers. No need to write the one mark questions. This short answers, first four question, and this long answer, first question. Okay, write it and study well. Okay. Okay, thank you.